Hello. We are going to see how a 3D model generated by an AI platform integrates within the Electric Dreams Unreal Engine 5 environment. This is the case study model created from a single image input. The model can be downloaded from the Common Sense AI platform. The model will be exported as an OBJ and will only have a diffuse map. This is the scene with the AI-generated model positioned within the Electric Dreams environment. Do you consider AI-generated content will have a major impact within the 3D model industry? As time passes, the quality of the output model will surely improve, enabling multi-material 3D models to be rapidly generated. What do you think about AI-generated content and its impact on the 3D modeling industry? Let me know what is your opinion regarding this within the comments section.